see that you sell gray T-shirts.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any reason why you went with gray?
Yeah, that
You're,
was.
you're wearing gray. I have to say I'm partial to gray.
To gray?
Like my sofa's gray, my blinds are
Ah,
gray, my
interesting.
cat is gray.
Yeah, that's the reason why gray. So there was this discussion, gray or white, right? But kids. I mean, we want them to be as creative as they want, but we also want the T-shirt to at least look nice on them, like to wear. And we find gray, the canvas is a bit more forgiving. So it's still, the color still sticks to it. You can still see the oranges or the purple, whatever you have to it, but it's slightly more forgiving. So even if there are like smudges, it sort of like covers it a little bit more and doesn't embarrass the parents as much because the kids are fine. But sometimes the parents like, you're not gonna go out with that, but
Yeah,
the kids want to go out with that, So we're trying to find a bit of the compromise as a designer. Finding that slight compromise, and also letting the kids enjoy the whole process.
Cool.